The new Ford Fiesta. Ready for the showroom? Not so. It is in fact a 2-year-old prototype. This car signals a quiet revolution at Ford with a radically different approach to vehicle development. Why did Ford decide to create a prototype of this quality and refinement so early? And how was it possible? These individuals have something in common. They're all specialists in their particular fields of design, development and production within Ford of Europe. Brought together by a new system of program management, they are members of the quite unique team formed to create and build the new Fiesta. In 1976, Ford decided that the time was right to enter the European small hatchback market with the Fiesta, built at Dagenham, Valencia, and later Cologne. It was such a success that within 2 years, 1 million Fiestas had been produced. David Gask, planning manager for the new Fiesta and its predecessor, has seen total Fiesta sales go on to exceed 4 million, helped by continuous improvements to its design and specification. But thoughts about Fiesta's successor were already taking shape in 1982. An entirely new car and an entirely new approach to its development, program management. This has given Heinz Swarrell, director of the small car program, the ability to draw on the skills of all these experienced people, a coordinated team working together throughout every stage of the development process. Their aim was to combine up-to-the-minute technology with results of intensive market research to enable prototypes to be built earlier and better than ever before, helping to ensure that the highest quality is achieved by the time production starts.
Which improves the center field and does not affect the steering effort.
French-born designer Claude Lobo, now working in Germany, characterizes the truly international makeup of the development team. Lobo and his colleagues welcomed the vital role played by customer research clinics in the creation of the new car. After showing many designs to selected groups, they developed a clear understanding of what today's customer expects from a small car. Research also confirmed the importance of small details in vehicle design and production, highlighting just how sophisticated car buyers had become in their appreciation of fashion, style, and economy. It became clear that although there was no typical Fiesta owner, every customer would expect more interior space, lower running costs, and the highest levels of quality. In total, the new Fiesta range would have to offer the widest possible choice for potential customers.
Different to the previous one, fully integrated, this vehicle versus its predecessor.
Ex-Olympic swimmer Graham Simons led the specialist group responsible for the car's overall design. After 2 years and 25 different models, the group had achieved its objective. The result, a car with wide contours, an efficient shape, and a smooth 60-degree screen angle. A 10% bigger glass area improves visibility and gives the interior a feeling of spaciousness. The load carrying capacity has been increased and loading made easier by using a steeper rear screen angle and large wraparound tailgate. Integrated rear lights, large and set high for safety. Wheels set out at the corners. giving the car poise and balance. The longer wheelbase and wide doors make it easy to get in and out. And the ergonomic interior design maximizes driver comfort and control.
Well, I think we had a good day today, a good review.
Heinz Swaron's marketing background has helped him to see things through the customer's eyes. Where will the package tray go when the boot is full? Is there a convenient home for the warning triangle and first aid kit? Will the glove box accommodate a road atlas? Details like these are important to the many different owners who will live with the new Fiesta. Swaron's motto has been that Ford will not use customers as its test drivers. We must test every detail ourselves.
Was wird speziell in diesem Bereich hier beanstandet?
Das ist die Haltekraft der Lippe.
Probe teams were set up in England and Germany. Their task was to build better prototypes earlier and examine every detail of the cars, identifying any potential problems so that the highest standards could be assured when full production started. The team's package engineer, Bert Heinz, took responsibility for the car's interior and mechanical layout. His aim was to achieve generous space for passengers and luggage with versatile loading and easy access to mechanical components. The powertrain engineers worked equally hard to increase efficiency and reliability. Chris Rolfe's distributorless ignition system, for example, makes the most effective use of the latest lean burn engine technology and, having no moving parts, is maintenance-free.
Much better improvement. It fires one during the exhaust stroke.
The engine development team has produced a range of economical engines with low emission levels. The resulting range offers a wide choice of petrol engines up to 1.6 litres and a new 1.8 diesel. 4- and 5-speed manual transmissions are available, as well as Ford's continuously variable CTX automatic. The high-performance XR2i is powered by a sophisticated 1.6 EFI engine rated at 110 PS. To maintain quality in design and development all the way to the customer, a huge investment has been made in the latest manufacturing technology. For example, the new front seats, designed for maximum passenger comfort and durability, use an innovative manufacturing process. It's the first time that this proven technique has been applied to high-volume car manufacturing. The fabric adheres permanently to the foam, and if part of the seat is damaged, with, say, a burn or cut, it can be replaced easily. In addition to arduous mechanical rig testing, the seats were also given a 9-month sentence, being used and abused virtually around the clock by police forces in southern England.
So, Chris, after 20,000 miles...
The results were more than pleasing to Dave Bowler and his seat development team. This is Ford's new drivability test chamber. It's designed to complement rig and on-road testing through precise monitoring of the vehicle's performance under laboratory conditions. The chamber can recreate almost any climatic condition, from the humidity of a tropical rainforest to the extreme cold of the Arctic. The testing in simulated conditions has many advantages, but long-term exposure in reality to extremes of temperature is still needed, so the development team can determine the real effects on every component in the car. Cold weather testing deep inside the Arctic Circle is endured by the prototypes and development team alike. Here, where the overnight temperatures can be as low as -40 degrees centigrade, the cars are left outside and tested every day, and not just for cold starting and heater performance. Every individual component is affected by the cold. The engineers use the harshness of this environment to ensure that the cars perform well even in such extreme conditions.
Excellent trip.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, very much. That car was a particularly good one.
Next stop for the engineers and prototypes is Arizona, where the cars will be worked non-stop and every component subjected to the intense desert heat. Quality is the team's #1 concern, and as detailed vehicle testing goes on day and night, advanced technology, like holographic interferometry, is used to examine each component and assembly, to identify any weaknesses and allow for necessary improvements. At Ford's test track in Lommel, Belgium, the team can pass judgment on handling and suspension on a variety of road surfaces.
I think the torque steer benefits also.
Head of chassis engineering was Tony Palmer. His team engineered the anti-lock braking system first seen on Escort and Orion, now helping to make the new Fiesta even safer too. Palmer's engineers also had the task of achieving the best possible combination of ride and handling. The answer was a new A-arm front and semi-independent twist-beam rear suspension system. By removing the traditional barriers between departments, program management has stimulated a genuine feeling of teamwork, and in complete coordination with colleagues, each individual has been able to influence the end product. The result was better prototypes earlier than ever before, allowing time for the detailed refinements necessary to ensure the team members reached their common objective. A car designed to set new standards amongst Europe's small cars. The new Fiesta.
Dopo, spenti.